look at this, we have 3 to go. But we're not going to open it just yet because we held that contest of the Masters of the Universe Special Edition 3-pack in the cubes of a Skeletor, He-Man, and a Battle Cat. And we put out a request to say, find the video of us having the most epic reaction to a cube opening. And in less than an hour, the guesses started rolling in from multiple people. And a correct guess came right away. And so this is the video. Cryptoys Motu Wave 1 11th unboxing. And real quick, let's take a look at the reaction we're talking about.
Oh! Elemental Battle Cat! Yes! Oh man, that's awesome! That's awesome! And now we have the Pirate Cat. Wait, okay.
So that was it. That was the video. That was the reaction. It was early on. You can see it was Wave 1, 11th unboxing. So our 11th cube ever. We now have 122. So this was really early, really exciting stuff. So congratulations to the keeper in the Discord channel for Cryptoys. That's the person that got it. Really exciting. Turns out that the keeper is not only a big Cryptoys fan, but he's a Daddy Nicky fan who watches our videos multiple times. Super excited. We couldn't be happier than to give it to such a super fan of both of those things. We're very fortunate to be able to have so many cubes, and we love giving back to the community. We have a lot of fun. So that's the story there. And with that, we'll go back on to opening these cubes. But one more thing. Because we don't have trading, that the Cryptoys team gave this set from their sealed cubes stash, that means that our collection is untouched. And that means, as we said before, another giveaway will be coming when trading opens. We're going to structure it a little bit differently. We got to wait a little bit of time, but some lucky winner will get 3 more of these from us in the future. Exciting. So stay tuned for that. Be a watcher, be a subscriber, and be someone that pays careful attention to get your hands on this set. So with that, which cube are we opening today? First, let's do it. Okay. And you know what? Real quick, let's see here. If we go back to ZooFO, we got a lot of room here because we don't have a ton of these guys. So hopefully we get something new and fun. All right, kiddo. Go ahead. Fingers crossed. Here comes something cool. Something cool. What do we got? An epic Alfie. Wait. Yeah! We don't have an epic Alfie. Look at him. This kind of looks like what would happen if we got you a white cat and a magic marker when you were a little baby. That's how that cat would turn out, huh? Yeah, right. Cool, right? You can't ever complain about an epic. Super cool stuff. With only 3 to go, it's nice to fill in some of those blanks. Aw, look at that. A corgi that's been drawn on. He's cute.
Me, probably my cat if I was little.
There you go. Awesome, although that's a dog. But,
My dog's house.
there you go. But there it is. All right, cool. So with 3 to go, we got something new. We love new stuff. Lots of fun. Okay, 2 more. We'll see you soon.